Hi everyone, repair of car charger Katod 5 on 15, and if I'm not mistaken, I already had a similar copy in repair, only in a yellow case. And there, the cause of the failure was in bad soldering. The solder on the choke on the input fell off. I don't know what's in this one yet. I haven't opened it yet. Let's turn it on first and see what's wrong with it. There is no main switch, instead it's a 1224 volt switch. We'll turn it on via a safety light bulb in the power brake. The light blinks and nothing happens. Let's unscrew our charger. We can see a beautifully sealed board with installed PWM controller TL494, typical strapping of TL494, and a large board with the power part. Yeah, the assembly is terrible. I think this is not made in China. The Chinese do not assemble so badly. In any case, I have never seen a Chinese device so badly assembled. For starters, you can see for yourself how nicely the PWM controller board is sealed. LEDs on composite pins. The native legs were not long enough, but why make some wires in insulation? You can just add them with the same bitten off pins. What else is interesting? This side seems fine, but the track side. Have you ever seen a Chinese device soldered so crookedly? It must have been a drunken soldering. I have no other options. But that's not the best part. Look at this. Just cut the track near the diode bridge. 4 diodes and all 4 were originally soldered to the same track. How is that even possible? Who designed the circuit board and who checked it? Well, I have no words. Domestic manufacturer, made in Russia? Well, let's check the diodes, transistors, power keys. Maybe some of them are defective. Okay, what's this? It looks like we have a diode that protects against polarity reversal, and it appears to be broken. But to know for sure, we need to check it because it could be shorted somewhere else. I unsoldered the diode and it is really like this. Let's try to turn on the charger without this diode. Yes, the fan is spinning, so everything is working. Forgot to turn on the camera after installing the new diode. So that's it, Katod 515. Someone will say, I have already 5 years of such works and everything is fine, never broken. But guys, you saw how it is assembled. Even I solder more carefully. That's it. Thanks for watching. Good luck and have a good day.